Hey Lux girls, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've made any kind of YouTube video, especially a hair video. So today I have a wig review for you all. Yes, and it's a synthetic wig review. Now, I've gotten into human lately and I just love human hair, but when I want quick looks, don't have the time to style it myself or just on the rush and the go, I still like a good synthetic unit like this one from time to time to give me that look quick, easy. Today I'm reviewing Outre Shalini. This is what the stock card looks like. I've seen only a handful of reviews, so she's not as popular, and she's 28 inches. And so since this is a wavy curly unit, it doesn't go all the way 28 inches, but it is 28 inches when you stretch her out. So stretched out versus, yeah. So it's probably a good 26 inches or so, you know, like this. So I got the color 1B because I wanted to give kind of like a jet black look. I usually do a 2, but to be honest, they're hardly that different. So this is the Sleek Lay Part collection of Outre. So it lays flatter, lays better, and then it has HD transparent lace. And I'm going to get into that because it had some great lace. And the quality of the lace was the same lace from one of my wig dealer wigs. Yeah. So this is kind of just a visual of how that part is gonna look. They said it's hand tied and it only has this portion so that it can lay flat. And y'all, they did that. Like this, no hot comb, no wax stick, nothing. Like I literally did not take anything to it, and that's what I like because I can't stand having to use a hot comb and all that. And that's another thing why I still will get a synthetic unit every now and then, because it comes already styled. Like when I do the human, I have to do the hot comb, wax stick, bleach the knots, all that other stuff. So this is a 13 by 6, I believe, because yeah, that definitely is past a 5, because I usually do 5 by 5. So yeah, this is definitely 13 by 6. It comes with a side part already made, and it comes with baby hairs, pre-plucked hairline, and it says heat friendly. So it comes like your traditional wig, adjustable straps in the back, a comb in the back, and then some, I can't remember if there's combs on the side, but yeah, it's literally just like typical wig construction. The pros to this unit is that their Sleek Lay collection really is Sleek Lay. Like it's flat. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Didn't have to take a hot comb, nothing, like I mentioned earlier. The pattern of this, that's a pro. Like look at this. This is like so natural. I love this pattern. It's like a wavy curl. It's giving kind of if you were to wash and wear a Bodywave wig natural. Once again, Another pro is the lace. This had some really, really, really good lace. It blended so well into the skin. Like, it really is an HT. It really is an HD transparent lace. It's not HD lace. So there's HD and then there's transparent lace. But then with technology, there's kind of like an elevated transparent lace where it's like HD transparent lace, if that makes sense. So it's a little bit softer and a little bit more invisible than transparent lace, but still not like seamless as HD lace. Because with HD lace, you put that mug on, you don't gotta tint it no matter what color shade you are, and it's invisible without glue. So the HD allows you to do glueless. Transparent, you still gotta add the glue to blend it in, and if you're of deeper complexion, tint it. But with HD lace, yeah, it blended in well. Cause as you can see, you can't really see it for real. You can't really see it for real. Once I glued it down, yeah. And then another pro is that it has a nice deep part. That can be another pro is that this wig I think was only like $30, and then you have to pay your shipping. So it's a very affordable price point for those on a budget. Another pro is that it is very natural looking. So when I went into work today, my coworker thought it was human hair. I was like, no girl, it's synthetic. So it has a natural luster, as you can see. Not too shiny and not too like yucky, because I can't stand a yucky. The cons are that this wig tangles at the end. See, like I can't even run my fingers through it without it getting stuck. So it tangles at the end. Ugh. And y'all, I haven't even like worn this like longer than a few hours, because I wore this to work. So that's the con. But with the price point, it makes sense why it does this. The other con is that it is made with a side part, pre-plucked to a side part. So you have to wear it as a side part, which it doesn't look bad, but I love me a middle part. And I think it's just because of how my forehead is. Like right now I love the hair, but I don't like the part, because it's like really accentuating my forehead. So me, I like a middle part, but that's very minute. If you're a side part girl, then that may be a pro for you. But for the girls who want to switch parts or like a middle part, probably take that into consideration. So since it tangles, I kind of like to keep it to the front so that I can keep doing this. Because if you have it just sitting in the back, it'll get tangly and then it'll mat and then people can see it in the back. Another con is that it's not as soft as other synthetic wigs that I've had that have had a premium fiber. But then again, you get what you pay for. But yeah, and the body is not bad. The body is not bad. So overall, I would give this wig probably like a 7 out of 10. The rating would go up if it didn't tangle at the ends and if I could run my fingers through it, because I do have synthetic wigs where I can just run my fingers through it, but it gets caught at the end, and so then you have to get a comb and just go. And this is a pretty wig, so like this is the type of style that you would want to wear going out to a special event or just on a date night. And if it's getting tangly, then it's just like, but it doesn't really have that much shedding, which is good, so that's a plus. That's my overall rating of it. Should you buy? I think for $30, why not? Because the pattern is gorgeous. The luster is natural looking. It has body. So it's not stiff, and I think that's another reason why my colleague thought it was human, because fresh out the pack, it had that body. Now you want to take care of it so that it doesn't stiff up. And then I do love the slick part. So the girls who are just now getting into wigs, you don't have to worry about trying to do a hot comb and having your wigs look all bunchy and a mess because you don't know how to do all the styling yet. So I definitely would recommend for an easy, sleek, nice pattern, nice glamour pattern, affordable unit. That is all that I have for you ladies today. Hope you all enjoyed this review, and once again, Happy New Year to you all. I wish you all the best this year. If last year wasn't good for you, you can always snap back, come back in 2023.